So this is our hotel room right by the night market. The review said it was pretty basic, but I think that's probably because the walls are just white. I mean, it has a little place we can put our suitcases here, a nice wardrobe, right? Which is always a plus for at least getting organized and such. Did I leave anything in there? No. A little desk area, small little mini fridge, extra trash can. We didn't try the TV. There is a fan up here to kind of help. I feel like the AC worked okay, but the bedding was really thick, so it felt a little hot at night. Was that your take too, honey?
Yes.
Because like it wasn't that bad when we were here during the day. I don't know what the view is outside. I think we're looking the other way. Oh, but you can see the sea out there that we walked to. And then right behind us on the other street is literally the start of the night market. There's the little temple thing right next to us. We didn't go there. There's a beautiful temple. I don't know if you can quite see it, but out there in the distance by the harbor. The Wi-Fi wasn't the best, which is what the review said too. So, shower is pretty basic. Doesn't have a door, but that's standard. I mean, it does have this little thing that helps waterfall it, as well as some other options for showering as well. And just, toilet, basic. A little bit of counter space though. I kind of appreciated that, especially in a smaller hotel. Oh, this rack was really nice for actually having a towel rack. You don't see that anywhere. So, I mean, again, a very basic hotel, but I really like the location. It was like basically in the middle of the night market, as well as there's a bunch of nice places we went and got breakfast at, right?
Yes.
So.
But the market is not anything that special.
The market wasn't that special?
Yes.
I know. But we tried.